Have you heard the word exemplification? What is that? Exemplification is a type of context clue that help you to understand the meaning of unfamiliar words. Exemplification make use of words that show or illustrate examples to describe the new word. Examples are usually indicated by the following examples, such as, for example, for instance, like. Other words, the exemplify a word may be somewhere else in the text without the words listed above. Example, electronics, TV, phone, laptop. Free time, time spent on cheering, practice, time spent on rest. So exemplification is a kind of context clue that show examples of something. It is